Woo, righto. So it is brunch time, baby. Need a thingy, my bobby. And a thingy, my bobby. Let's do it. Yeah. What's cracking here? So Shawnee is here and he's doing something nice. Nice for the old brunch. We're going Mexican theme. What we got going, Shawnee?
Beer batter fish tacos or prawn tacos. So got a nice little orange pale ale. Gonna mix it in flour, paprika, all the good stuff. Make a little beer batter. Get the pranos in there.
Sopranos.
Gonna make some chipotle aioli, vegan style.
Yo.
Some stuff.
I think Kira's
got something cooking up.
Oh, we got rice.
Indeed.
Didn't think that was under there, but that's sick. We got chips. All right. So what I have here is chili powder on a mango slice, which is very traditional, bit of lime then. These are gonna go for grilling. I'm gonna eat that. And then this is pineapple and mango. And I'm gonna get some roasted red pepper in there as well. Woo!
Ya no sabes lo que pasa. Lo que manda aquí la clave. Este ritmo guaguanco. Esto es lo que existe. Y también está mi chamaco. Nadie nos resiste. Aunque estamos bravos. La chema tan brava. Esta vida es brava. Y yo también soy bravo. Por eso lo que repica son los cueros. Aquí lo que suena fuego. Mueve la abuela el pescadero. Hasta lo mueve el aduanero. Norte al sur. Lo vemos viendo.
You look like one of those dogs, you know, on those videos where like they look down at the phone.
How's it going, mate? Sorry, to be honest with you, I meant to call another Harry. Sorry.
That's fair enough. I was like, what's he doing ringing me on a Sunday?
I know, yeah. I have to admit though, I have been watching your vlogs and my clients.
Hey, say hello to the vlog, son.
Hey vlog, son. How's it going?
Y yo sé lo que tenemos no es para juego y es todo divino. Por eso lo que hacemos gritar tu madre con ritmo letales.
If you were making that, you
Hey! Absolutely insane.
Ya no saben lo que pasa.
It's supposed to have a conversation about gas.
Brunch is a vibe so far. Hey? Everyone's enjoying it, Kaz? Nikki, you, Ella? Your shadow, the light's coming in behind you. Good start. Great start. Yeah, loving it. This is probably the best one so far in terms of spread. And there's a lot more to come.
Everyone named you, maybe.
I was told a saying the other day. The more people you share food with, the tastier the food. Right? Very, very good, yeah? Oh, geez.
right. First cup of prawns. It's
Oh,
very hot.
oh, nice. It's going well. Jeez.
What's cracking, sons? I'm taking over the Gopro for a sec. I'm supposed to be making shrimp tacos, but I don't really like touching anything, raw meat or batter or any of that. So Harry is gonna look after that for me.
That's it.
I made it all, and then yeah, got a couple looking all right. Got like a nice beer batter mixture, some spices, etc. Kind of shallow fry him.
Wowee.
I trust the sauce.
We're getting fired up in the kitchen. Soft tacos, vegan burgers. Here's sucking in squash and rice. We are on Maine's Burgers. Woo. This food.
Yeah. I know, but it doesn't.
So good. Okay. As quickly as we set up, we are now finished. What a brilliant brunch. That is one of the best that we've had so far. Mexican food, you can't go wrong. There was just so much good food. We managed to get through it all as well. And great way to bring the family together and enjoy a lovely Sunday afternoon. I'd love to go out in that sun now. Take a look at this. Whew. What a glorious day, but I've got some work to do. I've got a one-to-one phone call now, and then afterwards we'll go for a walk, burn some of this off. And yeah, we'll see you at the next one.